Just a quick video to show that I'm actually making progress on this A-7 project. It's been languishing for a long time. But for the first time, we have wiggles. I may end up mixing these as tailerons. Probably don't need to. And we've got change hands with the radio here. We got flaps too. I'll have to do a custom curve because that's way too much for takeoff flaps. But boy, I can get a lot of flap travel. That really ought to slow it down for landing. It's probably more than I need. Anyway, getting this working was a challenge. My initial servo location did not work. It was hitting on the stabilator at full up, so I had to make new mounts, redo it. So really all that's left now, I've got to do the rudder control, but that's just a flex push rod. I have to finalize the wing mounting, and then it's time for fiberglass on the fuselage, and then it's pretty much done.